First, remove the plastic caps from the inlet and outlet ports of the pump. Secure the pump tightly in a vise. To remove the brown seal, you will need to use a tool similar to the one shown in the video. The seal will be damaged during disassembly because it is tightly fitted in its housing. If the seal housing is damaged during removal, it should be repaired. Next, remove the 8M12 bolts that join the housing and the cover. Gently tap the cover with a hammer to remove it. First, remove the top pressure plate. Then, remove the long and short gears. Finally, remove the bottom pressure plate. After removing the circlip and washer from inside the cover, use a press to remove the black seal and adapter shaft. The disassembly process is now complete. Thank you for watching.